Welcome to 10 Predictions by ChatGPT for the year 2023. In this video, we will explore the amazing predictions made by the ChatGPT predictive AI system for the year 2023. We will look at the top 10 predictions and explore what they mean for the world of tomorrow. Stay tuned to find out what the future holds. 1. Automation and artificial intelligence will become even more widespread in 2023. With robots and computers performing many more tasks than they do today. Automation will be used in nearly all industries, from healthcare and education to agriculture and retail. Artificial intelligence will be used to help automate processes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. Autonomous vehicles will become mainstream, and AI-enabled home assistants will become commonplace. Automation will continue to be used to reduce the amount of labor needed for many routine tasks. AI-assisted decision-making will become increasingly prevalent in the workplace, with algorithms being used to help managers and employees make data-driven decisions. 2. Virtual reality technology will become much more popular in 2023, allowing people to experience immersive, simulated environments. This technology will be used for a variety of purposes, including entertainment, education, and training. For example, people will be able to explore virtual worlds, learn skills in simulated environments, and even take virtual vacations. Additionally, virtual reality technology will be used for gaming and in the medical field, aiding in diagnosis and treatment. The technology will also be used in industry, helping companies to design products, plan projects, and create prototypes. 3. Autonomous vehicles will become the norm in 2023. With self-driving cars, trucks, and drones transporting people and goods across the world. Autonomous vehicles will be able to drive faster, safer, and more efficiently than ever before. They will also be able to identify and respond to road conditions and traffic patterns quickly and accurately. Autonomous vehicles will be powered by a combination of artificial intelligence, sensors, and advanced algorithms to operate safely and efficiently. They will also be connected to the internet, allowing for real-time data sharing, analytics, and route optimization. As technology improves, autonomous vehicles will gradually become more affordable and accessible to the general public. 4. Space travel will become more common in 2023, with multiple companies offering commercial flights to space. This will involve a variety of technologies, including reusable launch vehicles, spacecraft, and space habitats. These flights are expected to be relatively affordable, and will provide a range of experiences from space tourism to research missions. Additionally, a number of private companies are expected to develop space stations for longer-term stays in space. We can also expect to see an increase in space mining, as well as the development of new technologies for space exploration and transportation. 5. Consumer electronics and home appliances will become even more advanced in 2023. With more devices being connected to the Internet of Things, IoT. This will enable users to control their appliances from anywhere in the world, access personalized settings, and receive real-time alerts when something needs attention. Smart home security systems will be able to detect intruders and alert the homeowner, making homes safer and more secure. Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home will become more affordable and accessible to the masses, making everyday tasks such as scheduling appointments, grocery shopping, and playing music easier and more convenient. Augmented reality will be used in a wider range of applications, such as interior design, online shopping, and gaming. Automation and robotics will become even more commonplace and efficient, helping to reduce costs and improve productivity in every industry. 6. Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power will become the primary sources of energy in 2023, as people become increasingly aware of the environmental impact of traditional energy sources and the need for renewable, sustainable energy. Solar and wind power will be used for both electricity generation and heating. Solar panels will be installed on rooftops and in other suitable locations, while wind turbines will be placed in areas with strong, consistent winds. In addition to these sources, other renewable energy sources such as geothermal, tidal, and hydroelectric power may also become more widely used. 7. Quantum computing will be widely used in 2023, allowing for much faster computing speeds and improved data storage capabilities. This will revolutionize the way computers and applications are used, allowing for more complex calculations and faster problem solving. Quantum computing will also have a major impact on artificial intelligence, as it can be used to improve machine learning and make AI more efficient. Additionally, quantum computing will have implications for cryptography, making it much harder for hackers to access sensitive data. 8. Cryptocurrencies will become more widely accepted in 2023, with digital currencies being used for a variety of transactions, from purchasing goods and services to exchanging goods and services between people. This will be due to the increasing awareness and adoption of cryptocurrencies as a viable and safe form of payment, as well as the development of more secure and user-friendly wallets and exchanges. As technology continues to become more accessible and people become more comfortable with the concept of digital currencies, it is expected that more businesses will accept them as a form of payment, making them a more widely accepted form of currency. 9. DNA sequencing and gene editing will become much more common in 2023, allowing scientists to better understand and treat genetic diseases. This will help speed up research efforts and lead to the development of new treatments and cures. Additionally, gene editing technology will be used to create plants and animals with desired traits, as well as to create designer babies. In addition, researchers will be able to use gene sequencing to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. This will allow for more personalized and effective treatments for patients. 10. 3D printing will become even more popular in 2023, with people being able to print objects from the comfort of their own homes. 3D printing will become more accessible, with lower-cost printers becoming available and the technology becoming more user-friendly. 3D printing will also become more economical, with more materials becoming available for printing and more companies offering 3D printed products. 3D printing could also be used for more industrial or medical applications, such as printing medical devices, prosthetics, and custom parts. Finally, 3D printing could help reduce waste, as it would allow people to easily produce items that they need, without having to buy new products. Thanks for watching our video about 10 predictions by ChatGPT for the year 2023. We hope it was informative and entertaining. Stay tuned for more videos like this one, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.